What's going on, guys? My name is How to Tech, and today on this video I'm showing you guys how to install the TouchWiz Marshmallow ROM on your Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime. So it's gonna work on the G530H model and the G530FZ model. So let's get started. First of all, I should let you guys know that this ROM is on a beta stage, so many things like the camera, the performance, and battery is pretty much not working. Like the camera doesn't work, the battery is terrible, battery life terrible. You will lose the charge very quickly, and the performance isn't the fastest. But so I should let us know that means that this ROM is not suitable for daily use. This is only for testing. So if any one of you guys is interested to test this ROM, you can do that. So once this is out of the way, let's get started. First of all, open the first link in the description, which will take you to this XDA thread page. Here you can see, scroll down to get to the download site. From here you need to download it. I have already downloaded this ROM, so once you have downloaded it all, we are ready to install it. So first of all, power off your phone. And I also should let you guys know that no any additional Google apps is required. The Google apps is already installed on this ROM, so no need to do anything else. Just install this ROM and you're all done. So once the phone is now powered off, you need to boot to the recovery mode, which is power button, volume up, and the home button at the same time. Press the three together and it will be booted to the recovery. Oops, let me see it first. Here you can see, here it's now booting up to recovery. So from here, I recommend all of you guys to back up your current ROM, because as I told you before, this ROM is still on alpha stage. There's no way it is recommended for daily usage or anything like that. It's only for testing. So make sure you back up your current ROM by clicking on backup and selecting system. All these four guys, you need to take them. I already made the backup here, so you can see here's my current backup, so I don't need to back up again. So once you back up your old file, you need to click on the wipe, advanced wipe. Click on Dalvik System, Cache, and Data, and swipe, and it will be formatting all those four partitions. Once done, click on Install and scroll down to where you downloaded your ROM. So I downloaded the ROM to this file. Make sure you go to the file folder where you downloaded your ROM. Here you can see, this is my ROM. Click on this and click on the swipe to flash the current ROM. It's installing it. It should take somewhere around 5 minutes or something like that, somewhere 2 to 5 minutes, and I will be right back once the installation progress has been successfully done. So here you can see my installation process is successfully done. So now all you need to do is click on this Reboot System button here. Click on this and your phone will be rebooted to the TouchWiz ROM, the TouchWiz Marshmallow ROM. So now the boot up process of this thing may take a pretty long time, somewhere around 5 to 10 minutes. Be patient and put your device down. The boot up process will take somewhere pretty long time, like 5 or 10 minutes. And let me first show you the boot animation. Here is the boot animation. As you can see, it's Samsung. And here is the boot up process has been started. I will be right back once the boot up process is successfully done. So here is the ROM finally booted up. It took a pretty long time, somewhere around 7 minutes, a pretty long time. So you had to be patient. So here you go. Here's the ROM finally booted up. Click on start and do the setup process. The setup process shouldn't take much long time. You can see the Wi-Fi working. I'm gonna skip for the Wi-Fi part. I'll do the Wi-Fi a bit later. You can see condition, click on next and everything. I'm going to do the setup. I'm going to skip the setup process, but you have to do it so that everything works fine here. I'm just skipping all the process there. And also I should also mention you that the secure lock doesn't work too. So the pattern and pin also doesn't work, and things like that. And here you go. Here's the ROM. and everything working, the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything except the camera and the other bugs that I told you. I'm just skipping by, and here we go. Let's wait a second. Here you go. The ROM finally booted up. You can see it's the full Samsung Marshmallow ROM. You can see full. Click on About Device and show you here. As you can see the software info. Click on there and you can see the Android version is now 6.0.1. 6.0.1. It's the Marshmallow on your Grand Prime. That's right, the Samsung 6.0.1 firmware on your Grand Prime. So yeah, that's about it. That's the conclusion of the whole entire video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to also check out my review video, which I'll release pretty soon about and other videos too. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.